Are you ready to take your WordPress website to the next level? WordPress's default editor is now called Gutenberg, and although it's more complicated than editing a Word doc or how WordPress editor used to be, with a little help, I can show you how to use this powerful website editor to make the changes you want to make on your website. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced WordPress user, I hope these videos will equip you with the knowledge and understanding you need to easily use Gutenberg. I'm Ashton from Websites in a Flash, and both WordPress and Websites in a Flash are turning 20 this year. And to celebrate, I'm making this video tutorial series to cover all the aspects of Gutenberg to help my clients and hopefully you easily use Gutenberg. In this video, we'll cover the basics of using the Gutenberg editor and give a quick tour of the three main sections of the Gutenberg page editor, and I'll show you how to add a block. Alright, let's start with how to get to the dashboard. If you have a WordPress website, you need to go up into the address bar and go to the end and type in wp-admin. If you are not signed in, it will ask you to sign in. And once you're in, this is the basic dashboard. Now when you're on your website, you will see a black bar up at the top, and one of those links, whatever page you're on or post you're on, it'll say edit page, edit post, edit product, whatever type of page you're on. And you can click that link and that'll bring you straight to the Gutenberg editor. Now that we're in the editor, I'll show you the three main sections of the editor. The first is the top bar. Now this top bar has a lot of your settings options. Some of your plugins will show up here. You'll have the blue button here to update or publish this page or post that you're working on. And the left-hand side has some details that are also extremely useful in editing your Gutenberg page. Then you'll have this main page section, which has your headline and your content blocks. And this is where you will do most of your editing, your writing, and moving things around. You will see this little pop-up settings navigation that shows up when you click on a block, and this makes it easy to help edit those blocks in Gutenberg. You also have this right sidebar, which has a second set of settings for a lot of your blocks. So I've selected an image. Here on the right-hand side, I also have image size, I have the alt text, and information about that block. Also in this sidebar is the page. And if you click on this page tab, you will get the settings for your page, whether that's the URL, the date published, the author who wrote it. Some of your SEO plugins may show up in here as well. This is where you'll have your featured image, and you'll also be able to see your revisions. Now, if you want to add a new block, these little plus icons, or this plus icon up on top, will show you a full navigation of all the available blocks that you can add. But some of the most important ones are the paragraphs and the headings. And you can either just drag and drop these into your section, wherever you want to put it. Thank you so much for watching my video about the introduction to the Gutenberg WordPress editor. I hope you found this video helpful, but if you didn't, please let me know why. Did I miss something? I'm making a bunch more video tutorials, so I will try my best to cover everything having to do with Gutenberg in the coming months. So subscribe if you want to see that, and like the video if you found it helpful. Thanks again for watching.